This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This picturesque property is sited on a double lot offering a half-acre plus of land and distance views of Crooked Lake. The Enchanting Home features a split-bedroom floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The Renovated Kitchen features Stainless Steel Appliance Package with Freshly Painted Cabinetry, breakfast bar, stone accent backsplash and new kitchen sink with faucet. The Spacious Living Room offers vaulted ceilings, chair rail molding, and wainscoting. Durable vinyl plank flooring has been installed throughout the home. The master bedroom suite features a walk-in closet and ensuite bath. The laundry room offers additional cabinetry for your storage needs. Other amenities include new lighting fixtures throughout, freshly painted interior and exterior, front paved patio, storm doors, storage room with additional washer and dryer hookup, storage shed, architectural shingle, post light for security, 2 car carport, paved driveway, and decorative stone landscape curbing. Sale will convey 2 individual tax ID numbers 28319, 949, 400, 0250 extension 51 and 28319, 949, 400, 0250 extension 52 for more information.